Okay, so what I'd like to show you now is how to export your video. What you've done here is you've created all of these little markers so that the program is looking at your original footage and deciding what the levels are going to be and what it's all going to look like, but you haven't actually created the video. The last step is where you actually tell the computer to go back and look at all these markers and create the video. So the way you export it is you go to File, Export, Media. Now, sometimes media will be grayed out, or you'll click on media and it won't actually go. It won't change from this screen. And what I find is generally when I go in, if I move this blue line around, if I move around my real-time indicator to a new spot, generally that fixes the problem. So let's go in here. We're going to go to File, Export, Media. Now what you want to look for up here, first thing is we need to give it a title. This is my scavenger hunt project, so I'm just going to write scavenger hunt, and then I'm going to add my last name. Okay, so I know for sure that it's mine. Below that, I'm going to check right here, make sure that it's going to the desktop. We want to make sure we know where it's going so that we can find it and work with it. All right, so we're sending our final video to the desktop. Check to make sure that this says match source rate, adaptive high bit rate, and that this says H.264. And then down here, make sure it says entire source. You don't want to pull just part of your video, you want the entire source. And once that's done, you hit export. And it will start exporting your project. Now, depending on how big your project is and how many edits you've made, it may take a long time, it may take a short time. When it's done, you can see your video is exported successfully. And if we minimize, we can see that there's the video right here. You would then take this video, put it on a thumb drive, give it to me. And that's it.